Like a lotus, they're all over the place in the grass. Little sucker. Sunbathing. Look who's sunbathing. Food for the sugar gliders all over the place. He's freaking out that I'm videotaping him. Good morning. At the overlook. This is the scenic overlook. Full of trees. Full of trees. This is the grass where all those bugs are coming out of. Some right there in front of you. Can't see because it's too small. This guy, stick around. Probably ready to fly off soon. Right, bub? Talk to you later. Later.